The Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest in the world, spanning across 9 countries including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, and Venezuela. Covering approximately 5.5 million square kilometers, this vast jungle is often referred to as the lungs of the earth because it produces around 20% of the world's oxygen. But beyond its lush greenery and breathtaking biodiversity, the Amazon is home to some of the most dangerous and rare creatures on Earth. In today's video, we'll explore these incredible but terrifying creatures. So, let's get started. Glass frog. The Amazon rainforest is home to many fascinating frog species, but one of the most unique is the glass frog. This tiny creature, first discovered by ecologist John M. Gossman and his team, has completely transparent skin, making it possible to see its internal organs, including its beating heart, liver, lungs, and arteries. Glass frogs are mostly found in the trees near streams, where their translucent bodies help them blend with their surroundings, making them almost invisible to predators. But despite their delicate appearance, they are surprisingly tough survivors. Interestingly, male glass frogs are responsible for guarding their eggs. If a predator, such as a wasp, tries to attack, the male frog will aggressively kick it away. Have you ever seen a frog like this before? Let me know in the comments. Giant green anaconda. You've probably heard about anacondas before. They are among the largest snakes in the world, but the biggest of them all, the green anaconda, is found in the Amazon rainforest. It can grow up to 30 feet long and weigh more than 250 kilograms, making it the heaviest snake on the planet. This powerful predator spends most of its time in water, with its eyes and nostrils positioned on the upper part of its head. This allows it to hide just below the surface while waiting for its prey. When it attacks, it wraps around its victim and doesn't let go until the prey stops breathing. It can swallow large animals such as wild pigs and deer in a single gulp. What's even scarier is that the green anaconda is so strong that it can even hunt and kill a jaguar, the apex predator of the rainforest. And unlike most snakes that eat frequently, anacondas can survive for months without eating after a big meal. One of the most famous encounters with a giant anaconda happened when underwater videographer Bartolomeo Bau and his friend spotted a 21-foot-long green anaconda at the bottom of the Formoso River in Brazil. Imagine the terror of seeing such a massive snake suddenly appear before you. Amazon giant centipede. The Amazon giant centipede is one of the most fearsome insects in the world. Unlike regular insects that have 4 or 6 legs, this centipede has an astonishing 46 yellow-colored legs, which is why it is also called the yellow-legged centipede. It can grow over 1 foot in length and is a deadly predator. This creepy crawler is an expert hunter, feeding on rats, frogs, spiders, and even bats. It climbs cave ceilings and hangs upside down, waiting for a bat to fly by before striking in a split second. But it's not just dangerous for animals, it can also harm humans. A bite from this centipede can cause severe pain, paralysis, and even lifelong nerve damage. Its venom contains powerful toxins that attack the nervous system, making it one of the deadliest centipedes in the world. Arapaima gigas. The arapaima, also known as pirarucu, is the largest freshwater fish in the Amazon River and one of the most fascinating aquatic creatures in the world. This prehistoric-looking giant can grow up to 15 feet long and weigh over 200 kilograms, 440 pounds, making it a true river monster. Unlike most fish that rely solely on gills for breathing, the arapaima has a unique adaptation. It can breathe air. It possesses a specialized swim bladder that functions like a lung, allowing it to survive in oxygen-poor waters where other fish would struggle to live. Because of this, it often stays near the surface, gulping air before diving down to hunt its prey. Its diet consists of small fish, insects, crustaceans, and even fallen fruits and seeds, making it an opportunistic feeder. Despite its massive size and tough armored scales, the arapaima faces a serious threat: overfishing. Its meat is highly valued for its delicate flavor and high nutritional value, making it a sought-after delicacy in the Amazon region. Unfortunately, unsustainable fishing practices have led to a drastic decline in its population, pushing conservationists to take urgent action to protect this freshwater giant. Pink dolphin. We all know that dolphins are among the most intelligent creatures in the world, but did you know that the Amazon River is home to a rare species called the pink dolphin, also known as boto? This dolphin can grow up to 9 feet long and weigh over 200 kilograms. Its brain is said to be larger and more advanced than that of regular dolphins. Unlike marine dolphins, the pink dolphin has a flexible neck that allows it to maneuver through flooded forests, hunting for fish and crustaceans. Although dolphins are usually friendly, the pink dolphin is the only dolphin species known to attack humans. Giant leech. Deep in the muddy waters of the Amazon lurks a creature that can send shivers down anyone's spine, the Amazonian giant leech. Unlike the tiny leeches found in ponds and lakes, this monstrous parasite can grow up to over a foot in length, making it one of the largest leech species in the world. What makes it even more terrifying is its unique hunting technique. Unlike regular leeches that simply bite and detach, the Amazonian giant leech can latch onto its victim for hours, feasting on their blood without them even realizing it. It uses a razor-sharp, Y-shaped jaw to cut into the skin, secreting an anesthetic that numbs the area. So by the time you notice, it's already too late. Even scarier, this bloodthirsty predator has no eyes. Instead, it detects movement and vibrations in the water, slowly creeping toward its next victim without making a sound. And once it latches on, removing it becomes nearly impossible. Black caiman. Looking like something straight out of a horror movie, the black caiman is one of the deadliest predators of the Amazon. Resembling a massive crocodile, this fearsome reptile can grow up to 20 feet long, making it one of the largest members of the alligator family. Its jet black scales help it camouflage in the dark waters, making it almost invisible at night. With its glowing red eyes, it lurks beneath the surface, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. When a target gets too close, the black caiman attacks with lightning speed, dragging its prey underwater in a death grip. This monster is not picky when it comes to food. It preys on fish, turtles, birds, capybaras, and even jaguars. But what makes it truly terrifying is that it has been known to attack humans as well. Once caught in its powerful jaws, the victim has almost no chance of escape. The caiman uses a brutal technique called the death roll, spinning rapidly in the water to tear its prey apart before swallowing it piece by piece. Despite its fearsome reputation, the black caiman plays a vital role in the Amazon ecosystem by keeping other animal populations in check. But for those who dare to enter its territory, one wrong step could be their last. Bullet ant. One of the smallest yet deadliest creatures of the Amazon is the bullet ant. It may not look scary at first glance, but its sting is said to be the most painful of any insect on Earth. The pain has been described as walking over burning charcoal with a nail embedded in your foot. These ants are aggressive and will defend their colony at all costs. The venom contains a neurotoxin that causes excruciating pain, swelling, and temporary paralysis. The red-bellied piranha is one of the most feared fish in the Amazon River. With their razor-sharp teeth and powerful bite, these carnivorous fish have a terrifying reputation as flesh-eating predators. Despite their deadly reputation, red-bellied piranhas are relatively small. They grow up to 12 inches, 30 centimeters long, and weigh around 3.5 pounds, 1.5 kilograms. Their bodies are covered in silvery scales, but their bright red bellies give them their name. Piranhas have one of the strongest bite forces among fish, capable of tearing flesh in seconds. While they usually feed on small fish, insects, and dead animals, they are also known for their frenzied attacks when they sense blood in the water. In groups, known as shoals, they can strip an animal to the bone within minutes. However, contrary to popular belief, piranhas rarely attack humans unless they feel threatened or are extremely hungry. And that brings us to the end of today's video. The Amazon rainforest is home to some of the most incredible and dangerous creatures in the world. From transparent frogs and giant anacondas to deadly centipedes and man-eating caimans, this jungle is full of surprises. Which of these creatures did you find the most terrifying? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.